This will be an unboxing of the Xiaomi Poco phone F2 Pro. Brand new, unopened, still in the plastic. Check this out. So let's just get right into it. Take my blade and I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm gonna unwrap this bad boy. Oh! Throw this plastic to the side. There you go. And then here it is, as you can see. Nice matte finish on the box. Poco F2 Pro 5G. And take a look at that. Poco F2 Pro, high-res audio. And then nothing on top. Poco F2 Pro. Nice yellow color here on the bottom. And then pause the video if you want to check that out. Let's just go ahead and open it. Gonna go like this. And what do we got? Okay, looks like we have some documentation here and stuff. We'll put that to the side. And here's the phone. Poco F2 Pro. Screenshot that if you want. Ooh, nice. See what else is in the box, man. Got this little tray, put that to the side. In here you have your USB cable. We'll take this out. And then let's see, is it C to C? Nope, it's type C on one end and you have your big USB on the other. And then let's see, this is the international version. So it comes with the international brick, as you can see. I'm gonna try to take it out and I don't think I can take it out. And then there's nothing else in here, right? You get the idea. Put that to the side. And then let's see. What do we got? Pamphlets and stuff. Throw that to the side. And then what is this? Some instruction manual, I suppose. Flick that to the side. And this is a clear case. Nice. There you go. Now this does have a textured back. So take a listen. That's good. Improves grip dramatically. And this is just your simple clear case, hard plastic. Put that to the side. And this is what we all want to see. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 or 865 with 5G, 6.67 AMOLED display. And then you got the 64 meg quad camera, 8K video, and then your battery size right there. Nice. I like the red power button. And then, gotta do this right. Here we go. Get the phone out. And then I'm gonna go like this. Ooh, look at this finish. Ooh, I like that. Look at how pearly that is, if that's even a word. Man, that pearl white. Look at the gloss on that. Nice. And we don't need this. I don't even know what this says. There you go. Comes off nice and easy. And then take a look at that. We'll just put this to the side for now. Very nice. Turn this on. Poco. While that's turning on, what does this say? Screenshot that if you want. And let's take a look at the camera module. You got 4 cameras. And then check out the camera hump. Flash right there. Pretty cool. Here we go, MyUI 11. Life gets easier. Let's go ahead. English United States. That's where I'm at. United States. That's where I'm at. And then connect to network. Let's see, there it is. And then I'm gonna enter my password. And we are connected. Hit that. And then what is this? Some terms and conditions. Can I just skip this or do I have to agree? Looks like I have to agree. So whatever. Agree to that, I suppose. And then let's see, insert SIM card. We're gonna skip that for now. Checking for updates, installing updates. Here we go, copy apps and data. I'm gonna don't copy, want a fresh start on this device. Checking info. And then here's the Google sign-in. I'm gonna go ahead and skip this sign-in stuff for now. Skip. And then let's see, I'm gonna skip all that, accept. And then what is this? Review additional apps. Can I skip any of this, or looks like I just have to press OK? Adding finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. Here we go, sign in to your Mi account. I'm gonna skip that for now. I actually don't even have one, so I'm gonna skip, and then set password. You have fingerprint and only screen lock. So let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner here. Pattern, or actually not now. I'm gonna go pin. Okay, set pin. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Obviously, this is just temporary. Change that later. And then about in-screen fingerprint sensor. Screenshot that if you want to read it. Got it. And then add your fingerprint. So let's go. Just gonna go ahead and do this. Done. Fingerprint done. Done. Nice. Okay, additional settings. What do we have here? Location, user experience program, skip. Send diagnostic data automatically, skip. Automatic system updates, I'll leave that on. Ads, nope. And what is this? No longer receive ads. Yeah, I don't want that. And then wallpaper carousel, we'll leave that on. And then location, yeah, why not? Leave that on. And then choose a theme. Okay, now let's choose a dark theme here. So like a dark theme. We have classic, limitless, and rhodium. And then radiance, gamer, and pedal. I don't know, I'm gonna choose rhodium just because that looks kind of dark. So we'll go ahead and just choose this for now. And there we go. Next. Oh, it's downloading. Okay, so it has to download the theme and importing. Okay, so let it do its thing real quick. Setup complete, you're ready to rock. So you can see theme applied right there. I'm gonna press that, loading apps. All right, so not too bad. Typical Android phone setup. Here we go, just a second, whoops. That's pretty cool wallpaper. And here we go. And we are in. All right, let's go ahead and go in the Android here. Let's see, we'll go settings and then about phone. And then here, so you can see device name, device model, Poco F2 Pro, Android version 10, and then the patch level is April 1 as of this video. I wonder if there's an update. And then we'll look at the storage. Total 256 gigs. And then as you can see here, out of the box, you have available 237 gigs out of the 256. So a good amount of storage on this one. This is the 256 and 8 gig of RAM model. Pretty nice. All right, let's go ahead and we'll check out a few things. We already checked out the fingerprint scanner. Let's check out the camera. And then what is this? Welcome to camera, tagging your photos and videos with locations. No on the locations. Scan documents. That's pretty cool. You can scan documents now. So we'll go to photo. All right, so let's just go ahead and take a bunch of pictures here. Take a picture of this. Take a picture of these two phones. Put that in the video. And I just noticed, take a look at that. There's a signature there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. That's kind of annoying. I don't know why they do that. All right, this is just a quick video test of the Poco F2 Pro. This is in 4K, 60 frames per second. So I'm just kind of walking around here. Check out these plants. Let me know the color. I'm gonna go over here, check these out. I don't know what kind of flowers these are, but they're beautiful. Check out these plants. And then check these out. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in here hella close. And whoa, look at that autofocus. Very nice. And then do the same thing here. Get in real close. Look at all that. That fine details on the flower. Pretty cool. See what else is over here. Alright, we'll check this one out. Let me know the saturation, the red. How does that look on camera? Let me know. What else do we got here? Check that out. Very nice. And one more. Just cause. Take a look at this one. Pretty cool. I'd have to say that immediately one of the first things I noticed about this phone is that it feels really good to hold. It feels like a super premium device, to be honest. I don't know how much this phone weighs, but it feels substantial in the hand. I'm not gonna say it's heavy, but it feels, I don't know, it feels solid in the hand for some reason. It feels pretty good. And it looks pretty good too. I mean, look at this pearl right here. That's nice. Headphone jack, nice to see in 2020. Mic, volume rocker, and there's your power button, which is colored red. Very nice. Love the contrast. The front facing camera. Look at that. Woo! I'm gonna do this again. Look at that effect. They even put light in the actual camera module right here. I mean, I'm gonna do that again. Check this out. Look at that. And then, look at that. Look at the blue. Woo! Now you wanna talk about dramatic effects? Look at that. That's sick. Oh, I love it, man. I love it. That's tight. All right, let's go ahead and compare this real quick. Just the size and the looks to some other phones I have here. So you're already seen I have this is the iPhone SE 2020. This is $500+ This is, what is this? Like $399 or whatever it was. So quick size comparison. F2 Pro, much bigger device. Here's the front. Have a quick look. And this phone's not even on yet, but I mean, you get the idea. Okay, throw that to the side. And then this one is the One Plus. Have a look. And then from the back, there you have it. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Poco F2 Pro. Speed tests, durability tests, camera tests versus the OnePlus 8 Pro, the iPhone SE 2020, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the Note 20 coming up later this year, and other phones. Let me know what you want me to do with this in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.